Hi friends, I'm Mishika and today we are going to make a program to find the largest number in list in Python. So let's start. So let's see an example. If I have an example as my list and it is containing a list in it of numbers 40, 20, 90, 10, 60, 80. Now we are going to make a program to find the largest number from it. So how we will do it? So let's see it. So let's see an example. So let's see. Like if I have two variables I and y. Now first we will take first number and keep it in I. So 40 will go in I. So I equals to 40 and y will equals to 0. Then we will compare, is I greater than y? Yes. So we will write, so the I value will come in y. So y equals to I. Then the second number 20 will go in I. Is I greater than y? No. So it will be as it is. Then the next number is 90 will go in I. So I equals to 90. Is I greater than y? Yes. So y will change its number. It is 90. Then is 10. Is I greater than y? No. So it will be as it is. Then 60. Is I greater than y? No. So next number 80. Is I greater than y? No. So now there's no number forward. So now the value that is in y will be the biggest number in the list. Yes, did you understand? Now let's make a program in it. First open your Python. Now open a file. To open a file, click on file menu and click on new file. Okay. Now write I have a variable as x equals to a list. Like I have a list as 10, 20, 30, 48. Okay. Now I have a number as y equals to 0. Means a variable y and it is empty as 0. Then I will use a loop. So for I in x, for I in x, so now we will compare it. We will use if and then we will write if I is greater than y colon, so y equals to I, means I value will go into y. Yes, and then print y. Yes. Now our program has been finished. So let's save it in a file. For saving it, click on new file and click on save. Now open a folder. I have opened my folder and write a name for your file. Like I'm writing find biggest number using loop 1 loop 2. Okay, now I click on save. Now I will run it. So for running it, I click on run menu and click on run module. Or you can also press the F5 key on your keyboard. See, I've got the biggest number in my list. 48 is the biggest number in my list. So now let's change the numbers and see is okay. So if I have 56, 100, 455 and 500, or you can say 50. Now let's run it. See, I've got the biggest number from my list. So, have you understand how did we did this program? If you like my channel and videos, please like and share my videos and subscribe too. So, bye. Thank you. We will meet next time. Bye.